1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi, hello, my name is Giovanni Sconda and I am your teacher in math today. Our topic for today is very special because one of our subscribers requested me to make a video on how to multiply whole numbers. And in this lesson, you will learn the step-by-step procedures on how to multiply whole numbers with two-digit multipliers with or without regrouping. So I want you to finish this video, and I'm sure that you will fully understand on how to multiply whole numbers. So are you ready to learn? So let's go. Let's start our lesson. Multiplication is one of the most hated topic in mathematics, but it's very significant for everyday living. You like it or not, you can't touch this in your life. Even simple thing we do, we unknowingly use multiplication to make counting easy and fast. Example, if you have 10 boxes of bond papers, and each box has 6 reams of bond papers, instead of counting it one by one or add it repeatedly, you can do multiplication. Multiplication is also known as the repeated addition. In this lesson, you will be able to know the different steps in multiplying whole numbers with two-digit multiplier. You will be able to multiply whole numbers with two-digit multiplier, and of course, you will show appreciation of multiplication as important skill needed to daily situations. Let's have the problem. Carla planted 24 rows of okra. Each row has 35 okras. How many okras did she plant? In order to know the number of okras she planted, we have to multiply 24 and 35. So 24 rows times 35 okras. Before we will multiply the two numbers, we have to identify first the different parts of multiplication. We have this multiplicand. The first number is what we called the multiplicand, and the number which is being multiplied is what we called the multiplier. And the last one is what we call the product. The product is the answer in multiplication. Here are the steps in multiplying whole numbers with two-digit multiplier. First one, you have to align the numbers according to its digits place value. Step number 2, multiply the numbers from the smallest place value and regroup the answer if necessary. Then, we have to add the subproducts. And the result is what we called the product. So let's start multiplying 24 times 35. We will follow the steps in multiplying whole numbers. Of course, we have to align the numbers according to its place value. We have to arrange the numbers vertically. So first, we have to multiply the numbers from the smallest place value going to the highest one and regroup if necessary. So we have here 24 times 35. So what is the smallest place value of 24? We have 4. And how about 35? We have 5. So we will multiply first 5 times 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. So instead of writing 20 below, we only need to write 0 and carry number 2 on top of the next digit to be multiplied. So, next thing to do is we are going to multiply 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Do we still have another digit to be multiplied after 2? No. So we will write 12 below. So 24 times 5 is 120. And next, we are done with digit 5 in the ones place value. We will go to the next one in our tens place value, which is 3. So we have to multiply 3 to 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Before we are going to write the subproduct, you have to remember this always, that you need to skip one place value. So instead of writing your subproduct below 0, you have to write it below 2. 3 times 4 is 12. Bring down 2 and carry 1, put 1 above 2, or the next digit to be multiplied. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And lastly, we have to add the subproducts. Our subproducts are 120 and 72. We have to add. Bring down 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 7 is 8. So, your answer is 840. So, 24 times 35 is 840. What is 840 here? That is our product or the answer in multiplication. So, our final answer is Carla planted 840 okras. Another example. There are 27 tables in the canteen. There are 16 pupils in each table. How many pupils are there in all if all tables are fully occupied? Okay, so that is 27 times 16. We have to follow the rules, or we have to follow the steps. We will multiply from the smallest place value. So 6 times 7 is 42. Bring down 2, carry 4 to the next digit to be multiplied, which is 2. So 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So 27 times 6 is 162. But remember, we still have a digit to be multiplied. So the next digit is 1. And 1 times 7 is 7. You are going to put 7 here. So no need for you to regroup because you only have 7 or 1 digit subproduct. So 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. And then you are going to add. If you are done multiplying all the digits, then it's time for you to add all your subproducts. So here, bring down 2. 6 plus 7, that is 13. Bring down 3, carry 1. You're going to put 1 above the next digit to add. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So your answer is 432. This is what we called our product. So your final answer is, there are 432 pupils in all if all tables are fully occupied. Okay, we are now done with our lesson about multiplying whole numbers with two-digit multiplier. I hope that you will never forget what you have learned today, because I'm sure you can use this topic or you can use this lesson in multiplying bigger numbers. So before we leave, I want you to shout it out. I love myself. I Love Math, I Love Math TV Lessons channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye!